Undercarriage is a key operating cost for customers, and the D8's new extended life heavy-duty undercarriage gives them the most out of their investment. Taller, wider links with thicker bushings and increased harden depth give 20 to 40% longer wear life and retains the durability that a Cat PPR undercarriage is known for.
Our Ford R&D capabilities are at the forefront of the industry. Our products have the characteristics of large tonnage, complete set, and tailor-made, and we have built the product spectrum with the advantages of all series, all working conditions, and all weather. We have become the professional company with the R&D and large-scale manufacturing capability for complete range of undercarriage products. Here, the world's most advanced manufacturing equipment and eco-friendly, intelligent production lines ensure help us meet customer needs quickly. In XCMG undercarriage, the entire process from blanking, forging, heat treatment, welding, machining, assembling, and painting. This high level of integration has become the driving force behind intelligent transformation, digital conversion, and interconnection. By combining advanced and sophisticated equipment, robust cluster and digital operation platform, we have realized unmanned production and online intelligent detection in the entire production process. We ensure a 3-level reliability system of raw materials, key components, and complete machine runs efficiently across the full product life cycle. It ensures every part and every set of equipment shines with the radiance of craftsmanship.
Hello everyone! Today I will take you to visit our crawler chassis track and rollers warehouse at here. We are strongly welcome you to visit with us, and you can see we have so many undercarriage parts stocks for the mining equipment, and whatever your equipment for which brands, we all can give you our stock list to check or arrange production. We also could open to more model and OEM service for you, then you can get the real OEM quality and service. I'm waiting for you here. Bye bye.